Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video I'm gonna show you how you can do CapCut flicker flash effect, or how you can apply a flicker flash effect on CapCut. So it's pretty simple. Let's get started. First of all, you guys have to simply open up CapCut application, and you guys have to simply import the clips in which you want to apply the effect. So after opening up the clips in the CapCut, now you guys have to simply go to the select the video and go to styles, and in the style section you guys have to just simply swipe right and select the flash effect. So it will take some time and flash effect will be applied to your video. So here you guys can see flash effect has been added to our video. So after applying the flash effect on your video, now you guys have to just simply click on the text section and click on add text. Now you guys have to just simply type full stop. So after that you have to just simply increase the size of full stop by just pinching on and increase the size. So you have to increase the size until it fits the whole screen. Now you guys have to just simply change the opacity to 16. Now you guys have to just simply increase its duration and tap to adjust the effect. Now you guys have to just simply click on animations, and here you guys have to just simply go to loop, and here you guys have to just simply select the first effect, which is flicker, and you guys have to just decrease its duration to 0.1 and click on the tick mark. Now you guys can see our flash flicker effect has been added in CapCut, and in this way you guys can also add flash flicker effect in CapCut. I hope this methods find you well. Do like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.